Jewelry isn't just an accessory, it's a reflection of love, a celebration of individuality, and a mark of elegance. Welcome to Lovcia, a global fashion jewelry brand inspired by love and designed for you. With timeless craftsmanship and contemporary trends, our collections transcend borders to connect people worldwide. Every piece of Lovcia jewelry is a work of art, meticulously crafted using premium materials and designed to stand the test of time. We blend beauty with durability to ensure every moment feels extraordinary. We believe in responsible luxury. That's why we prioritize ethical sourcing, sustainable practices, and giving back. A portion of our sales supports women and youth in education, health, and entrepreneurship, empowering communities around the globe. Trusted by thousands of customers worldwide, Lovcia brings the essence of elegance to your doorstep. Wherever you are, we're here to celebrate your journey. At Lovcia, you're not just a customer, you're part of our story. Through the Lovcia Trend Circle, we connect a global community of style enthusiasts, inspiring confidence and individuality with every piece. Discover exquisite jewelry, lifestyle, and trends. Shop now and join the world of Lovcia. Shop now at lovcia.com. Follow us on social media for the latest updates and offers.